Hello everyone. Welcome to this video where we'll explore how to personalize your phone's sounds and vibrations. Let's dive right in. To begin, head over to your phone's settings. Navigate to Sounds and Vibration, you'll find it easily. Within this menu, you have three primary options to choose from: sound, vibration, and silent. You can turn on the vibration with the sound as well from here. Now, if you prefer silence, you can even set a temporary silent mode and specify its duration. Just a handy feature to have. When it comes to customizing your ringtone, select the ringtone option. You can either choose from the preloaded phone sounds or use your downloaded tracks. Adjust the volume of your ringtone right here too. Moving on to notification sounds, you can pick your desired sound and set the volume to your liking. For system sounds, covering touch interactions, charging, and more, you can toggle them on or off in this menu. What's convenient? What's convenient is that you can manage the volumes for each category directly from the volume settings. If you don't want to dive into the settings every time, just press the volume buttons on the side of your phone and then tap the three dots that appear. Adjust volumes on the fly. And don't forget about vibration. You can also modify the vibration mode from this menu and adjusting the hardness of the vibration from this bar. Similarly, you can adjust the vibration for the notifications. You can also modify the vibration for the settings interactions. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.